So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and now we're going to expand software, and now we're going to expand policies, now we're going to expand Microsoft, and now I'm going to make this a bit bigger, and now we're going to expand Windows. You want to find the personalization folder. Now I don't have it on my computer, but if you have personalization, then you want to click on it. Now since I don't have it, I'm going to create it. So I'm going to right click on Windows, and then click on New, and then click on Key. I'm going to call this personalization. Spell it the exact same way how I did, with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. We should now be in the personalization folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Now once we're here, we're just going to right click on the white space. Now you're going to click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this no lock screen. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. Now once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 1. So make sure that under value data, under no lock screen, you have the number 1, and then click on OK. Now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.